Hey there, John. All right, sorry you've been working on this so long. um, so this is actually it'll end up being a very simple thing, um, but I can completely understand how this would be weird because you've got a cylindrical surface that you're trying to cut through. So I get it, totally get it. But let's remember these dimensions. So we've got from this datum 0. We're going to go up 1.5 to the low side, and then we're going to go up 2 to the high side. All right, let's go. And thanks for sending your part. That's really helpful. So here's how I would do this. I don't really care about the cylinder at all for right now. I'm actually going to focus on this plane. So we got the front plane right there. We're going to do our sketching on the front plane. And I would bet that that's what maybe threw you off. And when you see this, you'll be able to transfer this to a lot of other parts. So we're just going to start a sketch because it's easier just to show you. So we'll go sketch, normal 2. It's a sketch, there we go. And then we're going to draw a, so let's see. I'm going to draw this here. And it doesn't really matter if it's on it. You can just go, actually, it kind of does. Let's do right there. And then we'll go, let's just dimension this first. So that's going to be 2 there. And then this is going to be 1.5. Okay, so now we just got to complete the outline. So we need to get a closed shape right here. Okay, so now if we look at it, this is floating kind of inside that that part right there, and that's good. It could be anywhere though. Like if this plane was way off here, as long as they lined up, you would be able to take that sketch and extrude it through. So the plane doesn't necessarily have to be even touching the cylinder. It could be anywhere and still cut through this part. So what we'll do now is we'll go to features, extrude cut. And so it automatically wants to go in one direction. Let's see here, hold on. Oh, it's going 0.1 through all, like that. But then down here, we can say direction 2. We can say through all again, and it's gonna cut through that whole thing right there. So there's your preview of it cutting through. We'll click OK. And you now have, oops, an angled cut on your cylinder. So, so hopefully that helps. And this is, excuse me, this is a thing you'll use all the time. You might not necessarily, if you're cutting something, you're probably not going to be sketching on the surface itself. But if you sketch on a plane that's parallel, or you could even select a face, like this face, we could have sketched on this face, but drawn it so that it was aligned, with where we needed it to be over here. So yeah, hopefully this helps, and you haven't gotten too much brain damage.